messy. friends, I'm here today because I am being proudly sponsored by the museum I've actually been working at for a couple of years now in the beautiful St. Genevieve, Missouri. Now this is actually the oldest permanent settlement in Missouri. It was first established in 1735, if you can believe that. I work for the Center for French Colonial Life, which is sponsoring this video, and they also own this beautiful late 18th century house called the Bolduc House. It is a vertical log construction French home, and if you come to St. Genevieve, Missouri, you can not only tour this house at the Center for French Colonial Life, but also many other houses in the town. Some are 18th century and some are early 19th century. Here you can tour the houses of the people that lived in Upper Louisiana. Now this house that I'm in right now is completely furnished with real 18th century artifacts. I want to introduce you to a very good friend of mine, Jeff. He is actually the director for the Center for French Colonial Life here in our beautiful town, and he has a very lovely offer that he wants to give all of our fans who are willing to visit St. Genevieve.
Thank you, Justine. We at French Colonial America and the Center for French Colonial Life are very pleased to be sponsors of the Early American Channel. And if you come to St. Genevieve, come to the museum. If you want to see the houses, see the museum, mention the channel and we will give you a discount on admission and we'll give you 10% off in the gift shop. So we hope that we'll see you soon.
We hope that you see you all soon, and thank you so much for watching our video. Au revoir!
Au revoir.